Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Animesh, and this is the second video of Learn Playwright with TypeScript series. So in this lecture we'll be learning about code editors, we'll be installing Node.js, and then we'll be installing Playwright and the Playwright extension for VS Code. So let's get started. So for code editor, I'll be using VS Code as my code editor. You are feel free to use any code editor of your choice. So if you want to use VS Code, you can download and install VS Code from the official VS Code website here. And depending on your operating system, you can download the installer, and with few clicks, you will be able to install and launch VS Code. So once VS Code is installed, and then the next part is to install Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment which is required to execute JavaScript code, as we will be writing Playwright with TypeScript. So we need Node.js to install Playwright. So here is the Node.js official website, so nodejs.org. From here you need to install the installer by downloading it and then installing it. So once Node is installed in your machine, so you need to verify if the Node is correctly installed or not. So if you are in Windows, then go to your command prompt or PowerShell, and in Mac you go to terminal and then see if Node is installed with Node and V. So you'll be able to see the version if it's correctly installed, and with the Node package manager you'll be able to see npm version as well. So yeah, for my case it's already installed. So once Node and npm is correctly installed, it's time to install Playwright. So in order to install Playwright, I'll be going to the official documentation of Playwright. So in Playwright official documentation, they have provided how we can install Playwright. So if I am scrolling down, so it's already written that this is the npm command I need to use in order to install Playwright. But for that I'll need to create a new project. So project is nothing but a folder. So I'll be going to my terminal again, and then I'll be going to my desktop, and in desktop I'll be creating a new folder, say demo. So I'll be going inside this demo folder, and once I'm inside this folder, I'll be copying the npm command, and then I'll be doing this npm init playwright. So here you'll be asking if I need TypeScript or JavaScript. I'll be using TypeScript, so I'll enter, and where to put your end-to-end test, I'll just make it as default as test. So do you need a GitHub Actions workflow? I don't need, so I'll click on N. And do you need a Playwright browser to be installed? I'll just enter yes, I do need Playwright browsers. So this will take some time, and it will install Playwright along with all the browsers. So now it's already done. So once the installation is complete, we'll open this folder in code editor. So let me open it in VS Code. So I have opened this in my VS Code. So as you can see, there are a couple of folders, node modules and tests have been created, along with few of the files like package.json and playwright config.json. I'll explain all the folders one by one in the subsequent videos, but in this video we'll be installing the Playwright extension. So go to the extension section here, and this is where all the extensions are there. So write Playwright. We need to install the official extension of Playwright. So this is the very first one provided by Microsoft. So just click on install, and it will get installed in your VS Code. So once this installation of extension is done, check in the test folder, there is an example spec.ts. So you should be able to see a green check mark if it's correctly installed. So this is to execute the test using the VS Code. So I'll be explaining you in the next video how to execute Playwright test using VS Code, as well as using command line argument. So stay tuned for this one. So that's it for this video. Time for a knowledge check. And I'll be putting the correct answer in the comments. So do comment the correct answer, what you think. And if you're correct, I'll just reply over to the comment section. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for all subsequent videos. I'll be uploading the whole Playwright series for beginners now, and see you in the next video.